Look at it, y'all. It's an early Christmas. Let me show you what I got that's going on, Khrome. All right, let's get into the video. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. Hey man, I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today we got a great video for you, man. It's an early Christmas over here, man. And we're gonna get into the video right after this. Let's go. Hey y'all, like I said, it's a early Christmas over here. Man, some of the parts that I got going on Khrome, y'all know Khrome. I've been talking about putting it back in the shop. We making that boy a straight performance bagger, y'all. So, some stuff got to come off, and we got a lot of stuff that's going on. And yeah, man, it's gonna be it's already nice. It's nice now, but it's gonna be even better, y'all. But y'all, we're gonna show you some of the parts, and we're gonna get into the video. All right, y'all. Like I said, man, we got more parts that's going on Khrome, y'all, and I want to show you some of the stuff that I got going on there, y'all. I'm excited about this this new build that's going on Khrome over here. Just making this boy absolutely beast out here on the highway. Am I looking to race? No, I'm not looking to race, but if you pull up on me, you can get some. Well, but no, I'm just joking. But yeah, no, I'm serious. You can get some. But y'all, I'm gonna show you some of the parts that I got going on here, man. One reason I'm excited, man, I haven't met these guys. I've been watching them on YouTube for a long time. That's fueling, y'all. If you know anything about fueling parts, their oil pump, their cam plate, all that stuff, man, I'm grateful man, I'm so grateful and thankful, man. They sent me one over. I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna show you some other stuff that I got here. But man, I'm excited about them, man. Oh man, I'm so excited. Fueling, if you're watching this, thank you for sending this over to me to help on this build, on this 128, y'all. Straight performance, y'all. And you know they build performance stuff, man. Performance oil pump. They got two different oil pumps, man. Two different oil pumps, and one is really a monster. I didn't get that one, but I got the one next to it, and I appreciate it just for them. Even just showing me love like that to send it over so that I can show you all. Because if you got a 2000, I think from 2017 to 2019, you need to change that oil pump. You definitely need to change it and upgrade it. You don't have to go with fueling or whatever, but at least get it up to a Harley-Davidson 2020, 2021 oil pump, y'all, because they had some issues with those oil pumps back in the day. So yeah, let me show you what I got, man. But y'all, fueling, y'all see the smile on my face? I'm excited about what's going down. So y'all, let me get close to you all. Let me get close to you all. Fueling right here, man. They sent this over to me, and I am grateful and thankful right here. I got it upside down. I'm gonna show you the plate right here. Let me show you the plate that the oil pump plate right here. Yeah, man, high flow oil pump. And especially if you got a big build on your bike and you're working on a big build, you definitely want to get great oil flow through your bike. Look at that, y'all. And you know I got a red theme going on my bike, y'all. This is billet aluminum here. This is some great stuff. The quality, the craftsmanship of this is off the charts. They took their time and did this, man. And I really like that look, y'all. They put the oil in there as well that you're gonna need to lube all this up to get everything right. They put stickers in here. Actually, if you wanted to do your own oil pump, they put your instructions in here. Everything was so neatly packaged. I didn't even want to take it out, but man, I'm excited about this. But let me show you the oil pump. This is the cam bearing from fueling right here. I had ordered this a little while back. I'm a fan of fueling. I've been watching fueling parts for a long time, and I've been wanting to put that in my bike for a minute. A lot of people kept saying I didn't need no new oil pump. No, I probably didn't need a new oil pump, but on this build, I want a new oil pump, and I want something that's gonna be able to handle what I'm trying to do to the bike. And be honest, I don't care what people say no more. Yeah, and this is the pump right here. Everything, like I say, it was so neatly packaged. Look at this boy, man. Look at this. And one thing I like about it, their stuff is made in the USA right there. Look at that. That boy is nicely, man. I'm gonna keep that on here because I don't want nothing to bother that right there. But you see, it's already got all the rubbers on here, and I already got everything else. Like I told you, this boy is going in the shop very, very soon. I want to put it in at a date, if y'all want to be honest. I want to take it right to Black Gold Harley Davidson. Let my boy Austin get on that boy. But yeah, that's some feeling right there, man. And we got other parts that I'm going to show you, man. It's hot out here already. It's early in the morning. And the new cam. I'm not telling you what it is right now. It's only maybe 2 or 3 people know what this cam is right here. That's going to bring a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more torque. And man, it's definitely gonna bring the horsepower. That's where I was lacking. I got the 3030 Star Racing cam in there right now. 3030 is on the top end, is awesome. Great cam. But this here, this is gonna give me something from the top end to the bottom end. So y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. Make sure you do that. And you're gonna be able to see what's going on this bike. So y'all, big shout out to JJ from Ultracool. He sent me what I need to relocate my Ultracool on the bike. Big shout out to JJ, man. Make sure y'all go over to Ultracool. Use my discount code Kelly B. He gave me more lines that I'm gonna need in the clamps. Man, dude, when I say I'm a grateful guy and I'm thankful, man, you know, I didn't know where this YouTube channel was gonna take me, but man, I am meeting people that I've never thought I would meet, that I've been watching on YouTube for years, and it's happening, man. So yeah, Ultracool, big shout out to them. You go check them, y'all. And y'all already know, Harley Davidson already sponsored the 128 kit right there. These are the passionate floorboards that I was gonna put on there for the wifey, y'all. Cause even though I'm getting all this bike straight performance build, it's still gonna be able to travel. I still got my tour pack on it. It's gonna be where I can switch it off and do whatever. But my wife needs these floorboards, and a big shout out to them, to Harley Davidson, my dude Matt. I appreciate you. But see, these are the Empire, the matching collection right here. I'm gonna show it to you real quick. You know, I already got the Empire collection on the bike as well. Big shout out to them, man. Let me show you the floorboards. I know I don't have to. I know a lot of y'all probably done seen the floorboards, but look at that right there. Harley Davidson right there. I'm gonna get these put on ASAP because we got a ride to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue coming up next week. So yeah, we got that going on, man. Dude, when I say the excitement I have right now, whew, man, I'm gonna put that right there. And it's finna get cold. So I got the Empire heated grips right here that's going on there from Harley Davidson. Like I say, Harley Davidson has been in my corner and I greatly appreciate it. And even though I'm still rocking an older model bike, man, it doesn't matter, man. You can develop a great friendship with people, man. There's no need to break it because you got another bike, man. So yeah, man, we got that going on. And you know I can't forget my good people. My good people. Custom Dynamics. Been in my corner for a minute now, y'all. And these are fall lights, y'all. These are the fall lights that's going on Kong over here. Let me show you one of them. Like I say, we still got a few things going on. We still got a few things popping. I done opened it the wrong way, y'all. This is the bottom. Let me close this up and open it up from the other way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what fall lights I got going on this board. See this? The black fall lights, man. Look at that. That's gonna look good. These are gonna replace the lights that's in my lures right now. Like I say, this is gonna look good, and I appreciate Custom Dynamics for being in my corner. This is gonna be on the bike. And this is the bracket. This is a different mount, y'all. This is gonna mount up down on my caliber down there. So that's where my fall lights are gonna be. So they're not gonna be on the bars or anything like that. So yeah, this is gonna be a nice setup, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. And you'll see what we got going on. And this is something that I bought myself. Performance Machine cam cover. You know I've been rocking Performance Machine derby cover for a minute. This wasn't sponsored. My derby cover wasn't sponsored. But I like these parts. I've been liking these parts. And man, you get what you like. You fix your bike up the way you want to fix it up. But look at that. So with that plate from Fairlane, this gonna looks good. So you'll be able to see that in there. That's gonna be awesome. And this matches my derby cover. You can get this in chrome, all black. I got the black and contrast like my derby cover over there. This is gonna be really nice on the bike, y'all. So yeah, man, it's early Christmas over here, y'all. Telling you, early Christmas over here at the McCowan residence over here. And y'all see this? The BadBoyz Cyclez. I'm not going to unwrap it right now. The BadBoyz Cyclez engine guard right here. That's going to go on there. I got to protect my bike in case I drop it. You know I already put the BadBoyz Cyclez saddlebag guards on there. I want to thank BadBoyz Cyclez for sending these over. And we finna get ready to get these on the bike here soon, y'all. Very soon, y'all. Yeah. Eli over there, man. Appreciate you, bro. So y'all, it's a lot of people been in my corner, y'all, and I'm grateful. You saw some of this last night. Like I say, this the chin spoiler, the new chin spoiler, like the CVO. I'll show it to you one more time. It's got the side covers as well in here. My big people from HOGWORKZ been working with me for a while. So yeah, this is going on there as well. And I got the two side covers on here. Y'all, one thing I hadn't seen a denim bike with this chin spoiler on them. If y'all have, let me know if you've seen one, but I haven't seen not a denim black bike. And this is the new bracket that you're gonna have to use on it. You're gonna take those off that's on the fairing. Let me show you. That's gonna be the new bracket you got to use so you can mount your chin spoiler. Let me show you what it's gonna replace. It's gonna replace these brackets here. It's gonna replace that right there. So yeah, but that's Khrome, y'all. If y'all hadn't seen him, that's him right there. Now it's gonna be Khrome 2.0. Yeah, man, I'm happy and grateful. And y'all check out the Coastal Moto wheels right here. Go see my guy, Jason. I'll put a link in the description. And man, he got Khrome wheels. He got all the wheels you need, man. Great guy over there, y'all. So yeah, but that's the bike. And you know I'm rocking the Legend Revo arcs in the back. I got the Legends in the front as well, set up for the 21-inch. And I got the Arlen Ness triple tree and risers. And I got the Thrashin bars on here. A lot of people probably said, why did I go Thrashin? I wanted Chrome, and Arlen Ness didn't make a Chrome. So that's why I went with Thrashin, and I got their clutch clamps and stuff like that on here too as well. Y'all, I'm loving the way this bike look, y'all. Yeah, man. So yeah, and Saddlemen, my seats from Saddlemen, y'all. I've been blessed, man, and I'm happy, I'm thankful. But y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show you to keep rocking with your boy. We got more stuff on this bike. We got stuff going on the hook over here as well. My 2024 DCT Gold Wing. Y'all, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button, man. I'm gonna get to the end of this video. I don't want to hold you long. Click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. Share it with your friends, your cousin, your girlfriend, your wife. Y'all, we do great things over here on this channel. So make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button. Everything is positive over here. We don't want no negative energy over here at all. We want to keep everything positive. We're not putting nobody down because what kind of bike you ride. We're not putting nobody down because your bike ain't built or you got the big new wheel on the front and the unmatching wheel in the back, even though that's a no-no. but y'all, we're gonna end the video right here, y'all. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one, and we are out of here, man. Y'all stay tuned. Click that like, share, and subscribe button. Love y'all. Peace.
Jelly, Kelly D's rolling, hear that engine cry, riding like the stars are falling from Chrome shining bright in the break of day, leaning in the curves, just riding his way. He rides with fire, he rides with pride, wind in his hair on that Kelly D glide, no looking back, just miles to burn, every twist and turn's another lesson learned, from mountain roads to the desert sun, he don't stop till the ride is done. Throttle open wide, he's feeling free. This life on two wheels is where he's meant to be. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly D glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turn's another lesson learned. Kelly B's rolling, hear that engine cry. Riding like the stars are falling.